everyone. Whoa. Baby, nice out. The brown color. Whoa, this one is so gorgeous. Alright, continue. Dragon. Look at this.
Oh.
Couple dragon, double luck. Can bring you good luck. Cattling. Alright, continue. Ooh, I have butterfly with purple color. Whoa, you can see lots of the pearls. It's so gorgeous. Alright, continue. Colorful tail, the fox. So cute. Alright, one more again. Catch it. 3 blue. It's really Kathleen. You get 3 blue. Yeah. What happened? Well, first one always a good luck.
Yeah.
First one to order always has a good luck.
But,
Yeah, so good.
but you, oh my gosh.
Oh, colorful lizard with a lot of shining bits. Oh, Kathleen.
Too much.
Yeah, congratulations. Whoa. Yeah, last 3 bags. Come on. Alright, continue.
Whoa.
Sweetheart, so cute.
Yeah.
Alright, continue. Dragonfly with a deep blue color. Second, continue. New style, right?
Yeah, you start.
Our new style, everyone. Wow, the red shining base, red big butterflies, so pretty. New style. Wow, Kathleen, get our new style. Second, continue. Couple dragon, double luck, so cute. Yeah, sunny red, you're right, sweetie. Last one by Kathleen. 4 blue.
4 blue.
Kathleen. Yeah, so awesome.
No one gets 4 blue.
Yeah, you're the first one to get 4 blue.
Yeah.
Yeah, I never saw that.
Yeah.
Hi, Caroline, welcome. Wow, you're so lucky, Kathleen. Okay, Kathleen. Congratulations, Kathleen. You get 4 blue. Wow, so lucky, super lucky day. Wow, and the swan. So cute with a lot of shining bits.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah. Yeah, plus 3 bags. Come on. Thank you. Thank you, Irrational. Wow.
Oh, SSR.
SSR.
Oh
Red SSR. Wow, I can't believe it. Kathleen. So amazing. Red SSR.
Yeah, so real.
Yeah, so real. Oh. Wow. Full of the table. Wow, so many, Kathleen. Wow. Congratulations again. Wow. Yeah, Pingree, you're not late, sweetie. Yeah, long hair birds. So good. Everyone, today we have a lot of the new style, everyone.
Again?
Yeah, Caterpillar, so cute. Alright, one more. Wow, Caterpillar, 4 blue, 1 SSR.
Oh. Why so many?
Pinks, yeah. Yellow dragon player board. Alright, one more again. Fox, colorful fox with a lot of flowers. So cute. Continue. Hi, this welcome. Wow, fox again.
I love it.
Yeah. Whoa, Kathleen. 1, blue, 2, 3, 4. Look at the 4 blue, Kathleen. 1 SSR.
Yay.
Whoa, it's just like a winner.
Yay.
You're a beast.
Wow.
Yeah, Kathleen has a lucky hammer. Your hammer bring good luck. Alright, Kathleen. Whoa, you're so lucky. Whoa, yeah. Hit it, Kathleen. Hit it.
Kathleen.
Yeah.